in, come on in, come on in. Hi guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Crafting. And today I want to bring to you the making of my Mother's Day present for my mother. So here's some of the things that you're going to need. I thought about using the bling, right? I thought about it. Right? All the way around, the bottom, the sides. But I said, nah, my mom is not really a bling person. So I wanted to use this. And I don't remember the name of this one. This is some type of ribbon. Real pretty, right? I started to use this, but I don't have it. What I am going to use, I'm going to use this ribbon here. I'm going to put it all the way across here, top and bottom. Then I'm going to use just jute twine for the sides, right here, right? I think this is more her style, and I think I like it. It's going to be cool. Then I'm going to take some of these flowers here, and I'm going to come around a little bit here and around the other side. I'm going to put them together just to give it a little bit color, right? I'm going to do something like this from each corner, 4 corners. Then put a couple on the top. I was thinking about it, doing it the long way, but I changed my mind. So I'm going to do it this way. And on top of all of this, I'm going to use my Cricut machine to cut out a quote or my words to my mother, how I feel about her, and thanking her for being my mother. Yeah, so I'm going to show you some other things that I'm going to put on this, but I want to show you guys, I want to tell you guys the length. The length of this is 3.2 inches long. The width is 12 and a half. So the 12 and a half is going to be the jute twine. I'm going to cut a couple of these, maybe about, it looks about, let me see. I'm probably going to need about 7, 8, maybe even 10 pieces. So that's 20 pieces I'm going to need because I'm going to do both sides this way. And yeah, and I'm going to show you what else I'm thinking about using. But I do want to incorporate these ribbons here I made some time ago, right? So I'm thinking about it. I got quite a few of them. Some way, somehow, I'm going to incorporate these because these are so pretty right here. Yeah, so I think I want to put these in. I want to mix these in. Turn this light down just a little bit. Yeah, I want to mix these in here somewhere because I like the way the brown, it pops off of the brown. So I'm definitely thinking about incorporating this with this. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned because we're going to get this party started right now. Okay guys, so I started this side here, only because I don't want the video to be so long. So what I did was I took the jute twine and put it here, and like I said, I think this is about 15 different strands of jute twine. So I'm going to start the other side and show you guys. So what I'm going to do is take a little black glue, put it here, take this and stick it right in here. And just keep going. Down, make it as tight as possible. And use as less glue as possible. You don't want it to come stick and glue. The jute twine, I just had that problem. You really don't need a lot to keep it together. see right here, I used a little bit too much glue. I'm just pushing this close as possible together before the glue dries, so we won't have any gaps. You guys get the idea, because once I take it here, I'm going to pause and I'm going to continue. And I'll be back with that finished piece right there. And we'll go to the next step. At first I was cutting the ends and then continuing that way, but I found it much easier to make like a little loop here. As you can see right here, make a little loop and just bring it in and tuck it in that way. That makes it much easier than constantly cutting in. Too much glue. Right there we make a loop, we lock that in, hold it down, just to the glue now. Okay guys, as you can see, the top is finished. The top and the bottom. Can't see the bottom, but yeah. You can't see the bottom. But the top is finished, and I literally did one side. So now I'm going to continue on this side here, and hopefully you guys can see how that's done. And the glue gun is not going to reach, so we have a problem here. So what I would do is I would take my glue gun. I'm going to start from here from right now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go straight down. Just barely made enough. Barely. Okay. So we're going to go straight down. How that one is done. Now once I finish this one here, I'm going to go to my Cricut and I'm going to cut out a saying that I want here. But I don't know if I want it to stand up the long way or horizontal. I'm not sure of that. I'm thinking which way I want it to go now. It'll look nice up this way. It'll look even better the other way. So I'm not quite sure which way I'm going to have it going. I don't know if I want it vertical or horizontal, but we'll figure that one out together. I wish I did a live so I could have got you guys' opinion on that. I just wanted to show you how it was coming out. And so far it looks pretty cool. much better than if I would have put, if I would have used the bling. Right? That'll be too much, right? Yeah, I think so. That'll be too much. If I would have used the bling by itself. Let's see. That would look nice. But as I said before, Mom's is not all of that. She's not into all of that bling. So that's one of the reasons why I chose to use this. This is more up her alley. So you know, if you're giving a gift, you try to give what that person like. Okay guys, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we have one of the vases laid down, and we're going to work on this one over here. So what I'm doing is trying to get the measurements correct so it can be even on both sides. I'm hoping that it be even on both sides, but a lot of times if your measurements is off by 1 nick, that's it. So yeah, we're on our way. We're almost there. I'm gonna watch the progress. Okay, the flowers are up. You guys, what do you think of that so far? I think it came out kind of cute. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Happy Mother's Day across on the top, and then I'm going to put the words on the bottom, then put the brackets on the back for hanging, and we'll be done with this project. Okay, so here we go. We almost finished. The only thing I have to do now is take off this plastic off the letters. Oh yeah, so we're almost there. And then we'll just put the brackets on the back and then we'll be finished. But check it out, guys. It's so far so good. I didn't make that many mistakes. Yay! That's just one. Yeah, so it's coming out pretty cool. I'm loving it. This is one of the biggest ones, the largest ones I ever done. So I think it's cool. So let's take a little peek here. It came out cool. I still gotta clean it up. The letters I cut out with my Cricut machine. I always tell you guys that. I see Elsa's kind of crooked there. We're gonna have to fix that L. I don't know how. I just noticed that. Yeah, like I said before, the letters I cut out with my Cricut machine. And I love the way it cut. It cut so nice, so smooth, so cool. And yeah. So let me try to fix this here. I don't know how this right here got screwed up, else I don't know how I did that one. Yeah, but working with this contact paper, you take your eye off of it, and that's what happens. So always keep your eye on the prize. But yeah, this is for my mother, for Mother's Day, guys. Okay, so when I finish, I'll show you guys the complete project. Okay, guys, she's finished. What do you guys think? It's a little bit crooked, just a little bit. But you know what? My mom's gonna love it anyway. She's gonna hang it on her wall, and she's gonna look at it every day. And that's the purpose of it. And I always tell you guys, crafters make a mistake, and my mistake is just a little bit off. But I think it's beautiful. I really do. I like it. Nice size. It's gonna take up a lot of room on the wall. It's much bigger than it actually looked, guys. Alright, guys, it's really, really cute. I like it. You guys are the judge of this, so what do you think? And I always tell you, crafters make mistakes,